In this video, let's see an IIT JEE question which was based on the topic of functions and was asked in the year 1983 for 1 mark. The function is basically a mod function and we already know what is the definition of mod. Let's see the question first. The question is, if fx is equal to mod x minus 1, then which of the following options is correct? We have 3 options given and the 4th one is none of these. So for this question, we basically need to know about the modulus function. A very brief knowledge would do. We already know that modulus function is the one which has 2 definitions. One for x or the independent variable being greater than equal to 0 and the other for it being less than 0. That means I have mod x split into 2 categories, x and minus x. X when x is greater than equal to 0 and minus x when it is less than 0. Now, we will be doing what? We will be taking into consideration all the options one by one. Whichever option is correct, we will stop the question there and then. Let's start with taking the option number 1, that is option number A. So, the solution goes what ways? We are checking basically the option number A. Option A is what? Fx square and here fx whole square. So let's see what is fx square. Fx square means wherever you have x, you substitute it by x square. Wherever you have x, substitute it by x square means my question changes to something like this. Right. What about fx whole square? So fx whole square means you first write the whole of fx. See, inside you have what? Inside you have fx, write whole of fx. Where is fx? X minus 1. And whole square means outside you write the square, so you write the square outside. Now you know for modulus always if it is x or minus x, square would make it positive. So it becomes x minus 1 whole square. Are the 2 things equal? Is x square minus 1 mod equal to x minus 1 whole square? No, these are not equal, and since these are not equal, option number A is not my answer. So I cancel option number A. Now, talking about the next option. What is the next option? It is option number B. So this was option number A, and now we are going to check about option number B. Option number B says what? It says fx plus y. That means wherever you have your x, now it would be substituted by x plus y. Wherever is x, that is x minus 1, now it becomes fx plus y. Wherever x, substitute by x plus y. Minus 1 remains as it is. Next thing is what? Fx plus fy. So first you write fx, then you write fy. Fx plus fy means what? First writing fx. Fx is mod x minus 1. Then writing fy. Fy is y minus 1. So now check whether mod x plus y minus 1 is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod y minus 1. No, these are not equal again. So again, since these are not equal, my option number B, which we already checked, is not the answer. So even B is not the answer. Next option is what? C. And then we have D. If C is correct, then yes, I will be ticking this as yes, it is correct. And none of these won't be my answer. But in case C is not correct, D, none of these will be the answer. So A we already checked. B we already checked. Now the turn of C. Let's check for C. Option number C is what? It is f mod x. Where is mod x? Wherever you have x, now you need to substitute by mod x. So it becomes f mod x is what? Wherever in fx you have x, substitute by mod x. Fx was mod x minus 1, but now it shouldn't be x, rather mod x. Next is what? It says fx then whole mod. So fx then whole mod means what? First write fx. Where is fx? Mod x minus 1. Then whole mod means now you need again mod. Now what is double mod? Double mod means you need to basically apply again the definition. So it would be x minus 1 only. Double mod means making the things positive. But whatever the result of double mod would be, it would never make these two things equal. So again, these two things are not equal. So that means even my option number C is not the answer. So C is also not the answer. Hence, C isn't the answer as well. Now, when A, B, C, that means when A, B, C are not the answers, what are we left with? We are basically left with the fourth option, which is none of these. That means yes, none of these is the answer to this question of IIT JEE asked in the year 1983 for 1 mark.